Magkaiba ang posisyon ng dalawang miyembro ng 1986 Constitutional Commission na bumalangkas sa konstitusyon kung anong degree ng magkakaanak ang dapat ituring na political dynasty. Pinagtalunan din kung ang mga political dynasty nga ba ang pinagmumulan ng katiwalian. Nakatutok si Tina Panganiban Perez.
Malinaw sa 1987 Constitution na bawal ang political dynasties. Pero sa issue pa lang kung second degree o fourth degree of consanguinity and affinity ang batayan, magkaiba na ang posisyon ng dalawang miyembro ng 1986 Constitutional Commission na bumalangkas sa konstitusyon.
On the degree of relationship, it is submitted that 2 degrees is best suited to dismantle the grip of political dynasties which are mostly in the provincial level. And 2 degrees is doable and easier to implement on the part of the COMELEC.
I am for fourth degree, successive and simultaneous. And I am for its application at the national, local, and especially at the bayan, at the barangay level.
Isa lang ang isyong ito sa mga pinagdebatihan kanina sa pulong ng House Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms.
Kung i-implement natin yung fourth degree of consanguinity and affinity, ay napaka-imposible po yung implementation. Baka po yung COMELEC ay maging family court sa paghahanap ng relationship.
We can have a rule where the first to file will be recognized. There has to be a rule on that. If you put a very strict penalty, you are not only disqualified for that election, but also for, let's say, for the next 3 elections, then everybody will be afraid and they will follow.
What if we amend the SALN law and require as an additional disclosure that all government officials covered by SALN, which is pretty much all of us, include a family tree? That is also, to me, a good way of detecting conflict of interest.
Pinagtalunan din kung ang mga political dynasty ba ay pinagmumulan ng katiwalian.
Is corruption always correlated with political dynasties? With due respect to my colleagues here, especially my student here, Professor Tihanki, no? Should political dynasties be regulated? Yes, until such time when changes in the political system and electoral systems are undertaken.
Medyo matagal na po kasing retired din si ma'am, no? So hindi po siya na-update, no? Right now there's an ongoing study po na naipresent na ni Professor Rollin Tusalem ng Arkansas State University, PhilAm, on the relationship of the flood scandal. Ang title po ng study niya is Flooded with Corruption, in which he correlated the ongoing flood control scandal with dynastic concentration. No? Meron pong correlation, no, na tinatawag.
Hindi lang mga eksperto ang balak konsultahin ng Kamara tungkol sa anti-political dynasty bills. Iikot ang House Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms sa iba't ibang probinsya para malaman ang posisyon dito ng mga ordinaryong mamamayan. Target ng komite na magsumite ng panukalang batas kontra political dynasties sa darating na Marso. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Tina Panganiban Perez, nakatutok 24 oras.